In this video, I'm taking a look at this 1-gallon galvanized steel watering can, which is something I actually purchased myself. I bought this specifically for the flower beds on the side of my house because I don't have a hose hookup nearby. The only other option would be running a hose all the way across the front of my house, which honestly wasn't very convenient. So I wanted something that would make watering these flower beds easier without dragging a hose around every time. Starting with a closer look at the watering can, one of the first things that caught my attention was the color. This ocean blue finish is really pretty and adds a nice pop of color compared to a basic watering can. As I'm showing it up close, you can see that it's made from galvanized steel, which gives it a sturdy feel while still being easy to carry. One feature I like is the removable spout attachment. With the spout attached, it creates a gentle shower pattern that's great for flowers and more delicate plants. If you remove the spout, you get a more direct stream of water, which can be useful depending on what you're watering. In the video, I show the spout up close so you can see how it attaches and how it looks installed on the watering can. Another thing I appreciate is the size. The 1-gallon capacity feels like a good balance. It's large enough that I'm not constantly refilling it, but it's not so heavy that it becomes difficult to carry around the yard. For my flower beds, it's been much more convenient solution than dragging a hose across the entire front of my house every time they needed water. The handle also feels comfortable to hold, and the watering can pours smoothly without feeling awkward or unbalanced. Overall, I'm really happy with this purchase. Between the 1-gallon capacity, galvanized steel construction, removable spout, and attractive ocean blue finish, it's been a practical solution for keeping my flower beds watered without having to run the hose across the front of my house every time.